All right, what up, y'all? So we back in the Jag. I'm back with this Think Car OBD2 reader or whatever. So just trying to see what all this thing does. So this is my first time actually kind of looking through this thing. So other than the other video, but so it's got the normal. You can check your check engine light or whatever. I just checked it actually a couple minutes ago and cleared it. I still got this evap code in here, so it might show up again. I don't know. But let's see what we got. Car is off right now, so it'll read everything with it off. When it's time to turn it on, it'll tell you to turn it on. Okay. All right. So ignition on. All right. Let's try this again. Okay. So the code I cleared is already cleared. So you go to read. It should say. Oh, there we go. All right. So it's back again. So that's how you read the codes. Still got this evap code. But the other thing is right here is data stream. So I just do view all. Somebody was asking if you could read the transmission temperature in here, and from what I've seen so far, you can't. But let's see what else it'll read. No, it'll read coolant temperature. So yeah, none of this is on. It'll read your coolant temperature, intake manifold pressure, RPMs. It looks like that's about it. Okay, speed, ignition timing. Okay, so it's got a few things. It's kind of slow to go to the next thing. Okay, oxygen sensor. All right, so this is pretty much on the scroll, so I can't even press the buttons to go. But fuel pressure, fuel level. Okay, and waiting on this to scroll to the next one, which maybe it does work. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Number of warm ups, still air pressure, oxygen sensor. Okay. Alright. So, O2 sensors. Alright, so apparently you got to go left and right, not up and down. But, yeah. Throttle position, air temperature. So, got a good little bit of stuff that it can actually read. So, pretty cool. Alright, back out of this. Back out. I don't know what this is. Okay, so guess this is just like a quick look at whatever is going on. This is where you erase the codes. Evap system. Okay, so won't do that. Onboard monitoring. I don't know what this is. Okay, so I guess this is, I guess, all of the codes you might have had before or something. I had those misfire codes when that vacuum line came loose. Okay, so again, this is O2 sensors. I don't know what all of this is, but The dollar signs make me step back. Okay, so no freeze frame, but yeah, that's all it checks. But it does read the codes like you would need. You are allowed to erase the codes if you want to do that, and yeah, you can check some things on here, but not trans temp or anything like that. But yeah, so you got a few options with it, but I guess this is a better overlook than the other video. So if you're thinking about getting one, this was like I think $30. So if you just need a quick reader, this is a good one to get. Plugs right in. Comes with this little thing right here to cover this up when you're done. But yeah, something simple, but yeah, good to have around.